Good morning. Okay, y'all. Bath and Body Works buy two get two sale. Yes, I placed the order, used the coupon. The candles came out to be like $10.60, somewhere around there. Plus, I gotta go to Total Wine. I gotta do a couple of things this morning, but I just really got only 4 candles. I started to get 8 candles because when you use a coupon, I want to just get the most out of my coupon, but I need to stop doing that. Especially since Candle Day is coming, I need to cut back a little bit on what I'm buying. But I also, like I've been saying in some of my videos, I don't want to buy stuff that's already been released on Candle Day. I'm not trying to do that. So now is the time for me to just kind of grab a little here and there, so I don't have to get these things on Candle Day. So I did a BOPIS order. I'm gonna go pick that order up. Plus I did a curbside pickup for Total Wine. I'm gonna go up in there real quick, and that's really it. That's all I got to do today. Also, what's up to my MVP riders? What's up? Thank you for always supporting me. I truly appreciate it. Because of you, yo girl, keep posting. I keep posting. So thank you for always supporting me. We're gonna head on out, grab this stuff real quick, and come on back because I got a couple of more videos that I want to record. So yeah, I gotta get the ball going. Plus the store been open for about an hour now, and y'all know I actually like to go to the store when they first open because I really don't be feeling a lot of the crowd. So I try to go early in the morning if possible. I'm here at the mall. We finna get it, we finna go. We gonna get it, we gonna go. We gonna get it and we gonna go. Try to figure it out, see what we can find. Pick up my order. Yes, we're gonna pick up this order. Nice day, nice lovely day. Lovely day. We love when the sun is shining. Out here early, getting our day going early. The best way. Don't sleep in. Don't sleep all day, y'all. I'm just saying, don't sleep all day. Get out here and make some moves. And always stay positive. Don't feed into the negative energy at all. So I'm getting ready to go in here and pick this order up. Struggling with the bag. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here and pick this order up, y'all. I'm gonna do a quick little walkthrough. Oh, it's kind of cool right here. Let me see too. Okay, y'all, I got the bag. And now I'm on my way back to the car, actually. I'm not even gonna walk the mall. We're gonna just head on over to Total Wine, pick that order up. And then I really need some gas. I need to go to Sam's, because I need to get some gas. And then, yeah, these daggone pants I got on. Oh my God. Now, I bought these pants a long time ago from Sam's because they were super cheap. I think I paid like $2 for them, but I got an extra large and they big. Keep falling. I keep pulling them up. And crazy part about it, they're leggings. I hate that. I should have got them in a large, but I actually bought like double. I bought large and extra large. And these extra larges is like way big. You know, most of the time you think when you buy leggings that they're gonna just fit and stay up. But these are kind of falling. But yeah, my pants is like big today. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't even know if I could sit y'all somewhere so y'all could see. Let me see. No. Trying to figure it out. Try to sit y'all down there. My shirt rising up. I'm just looking bad today. Can't really see. You can't really see. But I'm back in the car, and like I said, I was just picking up my order. I got like 4 candles, and I used 2 rewards and got some stuff. But again, y'all already know it's mainly backups. And then of course they put this stuff in here now. And then I grabbed some more of these little tester things I need to do. Okay, the candles I got another coffee and a whiskey because I love this. I was gonna order 2 and then I would have been satisfied with having a total of 4, but I really didn't want to place an order for 8 candles. I just wanted to do only 4 candles, so I decided to just grab 1. Love this scent. I love this scent. This is good. The next one I got is juniper and gin. Love this. These candles burn fast. Now I'm already at the halfway point of the other one I got. I love it. Lid smell weird. I love this scent. It's a nice fresh scent, and I think I'm gonna come back and do a review of this candle. Then the next one I got is another one that's in that same collection, which is the orange, is it cranberry? The cranberry orange seltzer. That's what that one looked like. This is good. Yeah, this one is good. And I didn't even, if y'all refer back to when I first bought these candles in that video, I said that I really wasn't gonna like this one. This one is actually really, really good. You most definitely get that fizzy note, like that soda note or that seltzer note. I like it. I like it. You get that orange in it. It's good, and it most definitely have a medium throw. I think I'm gonna stop saying numbers, because a number could mean so many different things to people. What I might say is a 7 could be a 9 to you, or could be a 3 to you. So I'm gonna stop saying numbers, and I'm just gonna stick with either a medium or a medium high or high. I'm gonna start doing like that. I'm not gonna do any numbers. I'm gonna try my best to not throw a number out, because those numbers can mean so many different things to people. What I might consider a 9, you might consider a 5. So this has a medium throw in the open concept. It's not a powerhouse. No, it does not give off a powerhouse in my setting. Everybody's setting is different. Everybody's house is different. Everybody's house smell is different. So it's going to come off different to everybody. You know, an orange candle might throw good in my house, but it might not throw good in your house. So just because I'm saying it's a medium throw in my house doesn't mean that it's going to be the same in your house. You have to test these candles out for yourself. You know, And I get it, the fact that the return policy has changed. You know, they scanning the barcode and whatever comes up, you're getting it. But make sure you keep your receipt. If you keep your receipt, you can still get what you paid for. But the downside of that is if you're going to swap it out, I'm not 100% sure because I haven't did this. I don't really exchange candles that often. No, I don't know if you buy these candles on sale and you exchange them and it ring up for the sale price, or they see that the sale price was the $10.60 you pay and now the candles is $16.50. I don't know if you have to pay that extra. That's $6.10 extra. I don't know. So this is good, medium throw. And then I decided to get the newest candle that's been released, which is this Sugar Plum Fairy. A lot of people saying that this is just your typical plum fruity candle. Some people is saying it ain't got no throw. The throw is low. I don't know. Again, I'm going to test it for myself. You know, what people say, okay, I just take that with a grain of salt. I don't take that as factual. I don't take that as is written in stone. I have to see for myself how it do. So the scent notes is sweet sugar plum, candy cranberry, sugared orange. I'm kind of sort of getting this. Let me smell this. Now this is very orange. This smells so good on cold. I'm getting sweetness, and I'm kind of smelling like that orange note in it, but not like this. It's not as strong orange in this one, like in this one, because this one has orange and cranberry in it as well, but this one has that fizzy note in it, whereas this has that plum and the orange and cranberry. So this one should be like really, really sweet. I'm getting toned down orange scents. I'm kind of getting that cranberry, and it could, I don't know, when I first smelled it, it smells kind of sour. Now, I don't know if something's going on with this lid, but it do smell a little soft. I'm just saying. It do smell a little bit light on cold. So we're going to give this a try. That's the reason why I only bought one, because I just wasn't sure. You know, I honestly feel like this is something that's going to be around for semi-annual. Most of the time, a lot of these Christmas candles is still around. So you really don't have to rush. I understand that Candle Day is coming, but you just never know. One will do me good for now. I'm just saying. I'm going to speed things up. I end up getting 2 Dream Bright candles. I love, 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 love. This packaging is so next level for me. This is so nice. Blue with the diamonds. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Y'all know, on these single wicks, the writing is so little. I got my glasses. Let me read. And they fogged up. Okay. Okay, the scent notes is berries, orchid, and vanilla. So that's the scent notes of this one. I did smell the... Hey, I don't even know what I did with it. I did smell it inside the store. I threw it inside the bag, but I don't even know what I did with the daggone thing. I like it. I like it. I most definitely, it smells just like perfume to me. You know how sometimes it either be gourmand and it most definitely smell like a foodie candle, or sometimes it's more like a woody note. This smells literally like perfume. A lot of people is referring to this smelling like Into the Night and all of those stuff. I'm really not familiar with Into the Night, even though I do have the candle, and I think I do have like the hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna have to see. So far, I'm loving the packaging. The packaging, y'all know I always love to try anything Bath and Body Works bring out, especially if it's new. They also had the perfume. I end up getting the perfume in the travel size. They don't have the big one. And as y'all did see, they do have other things, but these were the only things that I wanted. I got these 2 free with rewards, and they had this for $8. And remember, I did use a 20% coupon on all this stuff, so this came up to like $6. So yeah, I'm happy with this, and that's basically everything that I got with this Bath and Body Works trip. Happy about that. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments down at the bottom. Also, let me know, what do you think about this new scent that's coming out at Bath and Body Works? Have you tried it? What's your take on it? Did you grab one of these candles free with reward? So leave that all down at the bottom. I know they're supposed to come out with a 3-wick, but they didn't have it out in the stores. So yeah, they didn't have it out. So I just went on with the single wigs because I just want to try it. I got them free with rewards. So let me know in the comments, what do y'all think about this one? And hit the notification bell for social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.